When kids are sick, they may feel warm to the touch, but the only way to know if your child has a fever is to check it with a thermometer. If your child is feeling well and acting normally, most fevers don't need to be treated. But your doctor will let you know when to call about a fever. When checking your child's temperature, always wait until about 15 minutes after being bundled up, being out in the colder heat, or taking a bath or shower. There are a few different ways to take a temperature, and some depend on your child's age. For babies and toddlers, using a digital rectal thermometer is the most accurate method. First, clean the thermometer with alcohol or soap and water. Then, rinse with cool water. Add a lubricant like petroleum jelly on the tip. To take the temperature, try one of two positions. Lay your baby flat on the back with legs up as if you were changing a diaper, or belly down on a firm surface. Once in position, look for the anus. It's the opening where bowel movements come out. Gently place the tip of the thermometer into the anus about ½ an inch. Don't push if there is resistance. Hold the thermometer in place until it beeps. Then remove and read the temperature. In a baby under 12 weeks, call your doctor right away for a fever of 100.4 or higher. After you're done, clean the thermometer again and wash your hands. Use a different thermometer for each child. Label that it's been used as a rectal thermometer. Digital oral thermometers are good to use for kids once they turn 4 or 5 years old. First, clean the thermometer with alcohol or soap and water. Place the tip of the thermometer under your child's tongue, pointing toward the back of the mouth. Hold it in place until it beeps that the reading is done. Don't check a temperature in the mouth right after your child's had a hot or cold drink, since that can affect the reading. For kids older than 12 weeks, you can check the temperature in the armpit, although this way isn't as accurate. When taking a temperature under the arm, make sure the armpit is dry. Have your child hold the elbow against the chest until the reading is done. Ear thermometers and forehead or temporal thermometers are popular because they read temperatures quickly and comfortably, but they have to be used the right way to work properly, so be sure to follow the instructions. Forehead thermometers can be used at any age, but ear thermometers should only be used after 6 months of age. Whichever thermometer you choose, clean it after each use so it's ready to go the next time you need it. If you ever have any questions or concerns, call your doctor.